Hang in there, Ukraine. We at Stray Cat want to send encouragement to the people of Ukraine during this time of atrocities. Stay strong, you guys. You are on your way to success. Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeanne on a deviation from visiting cities, communities, villages, towns, desert towns, ghost towns, wineries, distilleries, internment camps, beach camps, desert camps, date camps, space camps, a dome house, a Nevada brothel, and some other places of interest to find out what is really going on in Area 51. Yes, they did, and Sherry's Ranch is legal business in Nevada. Get over it. Please subscribe. Get notified when new episodes are available. Click on that little black stray cat image on the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Absolutely free. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1. Please share the videos with others. Hawkeye's videos are unscripted documentaries of his and Jeanne's travels. Their mission is to help you experience places, things, and events that you may not normally get to see or hear. Then publish videos on YouTube for you to witness what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID pandemic. Remember that all information is deemed to be reliable, but there is not any guarantee that it is. So, what is really going on in Area 51? Well, you may have a hard time believing this. However, episode 101 is about Hawkeye and Jeanne's visit to Area 51, a real-life place in Nevada of the United States of America that officially is not existent. Is that far out? Area 51 is the common name of a highly classified United States Air Force facility within the Nevada Test and Training Range. A remote detachment administered by Edwards Air Force Base, the facility is officially called Homey Airport or Groom Lake, after the salt flat next to its airfield. Details of its operations are not made public, but the United States Air Force says that it is an open training range, and it is commonly thought to support the development and testing of experimental aircraft and weapons systems. The USAF and CIA acquired the site in 1955, primarily for flight testing the Lockheed U-2 aircraft. The intense secrecy surrounding the base has made it the frequent subject of conspiracy theories and a central component of unidentified flying object folklore. It has never been declared a secret base, but all research and occurrences in Area 51 are top secret and sensitive, compartmented information. The CIA publicly acknowledged the base's existence on June 25, 2013, following a Freedom of Information Act request filed in 2005. And declassified documents detailing its history and purpose. Area 51 is located in the southern portion of Nevada, 83 miles north-northwest of Las Vegas. The surrounding area is a popular tourist destination. What do you think about that? The origin of the name Area 51 is unclear. It is believed to be from an Atomic Energy Commission numbering grid. Although Area 51 is not part of this system, it is adjacent to Area 15. Another explanation is that 51 was used because it was unlikely that the Atomic Energy Commission would use the number. According to the Central Intelligence Agency, the correct names for the facility are Homey Airport and Groom Lake, though the name Area 51 was used in a CIA document from the Vietnam War. The facility has also been referred to as Dreamland and Paradise Ranch, among other nicknames. The USAF Public Relations have referred to the facility as an operating location near Groom Dry Lake. The special use airspace around the field is referred to as Restricted Area 4808 North. So what is really going on? Dreamland and Paradise Ranch sound like the name of Nevada brothels to me. Lead and silver were discovered in the southern part of the Groom Range in 1864, and the English company Groom Lead Mines Limited financed the Conception mines in the 1870s, giving the district its name. J. B. Osborne and Partners acquired the controlling interest in Groom in 1876, and Osborne's son acquired it in the 1890s. Mining continued until 1918, then resumed after World War II until the early 1950s. The airfield on the Groom Lake site began service in 1942 as Indian Springs Air Force Auxiliary Field and consisted of 2 unpaved 5,000-foot runways. The United States government has provided minimal information regarding Area 51. The area surrounding the lake is permanently off-limits to both civilian and normal military air traffic. Security clearances are checked regularly, cameras and weaponry are not allowed. Even military pilots training in the area risk disciplinary action if they stray into the exclusionary box surrounding Groom's airspace. Surveillance is supplemented using buried motion sensors. In reality, there is unlimited information available regarding the non-existent Area 51. Search Area 51 in Google and Wikipedia. The Area 51 Alien Center was originally built as a gas station in 1945. After a UFO crashed in Roswell, New Mexico in 1947 and aliens were taken to the airbase, strange things began happening at their location. People reported seeing strange lights nearby, unnatural sounds late at night, and bizarre shapes moving across the sky. The gas station was purchased in 2017 and became the official Area 51 Alien Center. Since then, we've been protecting ordinary citizens by keeping an eye on the men in black. Well, anyway, isn't that groovy? Who knows what is really going on? Thank you for watching the videos. Let us know what you think about the episodes. Leave a nice comment. Click like, click subscribe. Love you guys. Buenos dias muchachos y muchachas. I am Pagan Woman Warrior Queen, Califia. The hostess of Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Have an extraterrestrial day.